In front of me is REALME 9i, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Now type in Magic Fluids and install this completely free app, that one from this developer. Then select Open. Over here, click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Then tap on I accept and adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you want to. When you're ready, you need to click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Apply and pick one of those options, Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. I will go with both, so I have to click on it and click Home button. As you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!